Hello guys, I have a very interesting update for you today. You can see on my dashboard already, you can see free bonuses. You can actually earn from this platform for free and even withdraw to your wallet. But I'm going to show you what you need to do and what you need to know in order to make this work. So guys, stick to this video till the end if you want to be part of this. What up guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel Auburn Time, where we make review on money making applications and websites just to bring you guys the best, nothing but the best. So if today is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, click on the bell sign and to get notifications once I upload another update like this. So okay guys, so this site is called Shorta.cc, and if you want to be part of this, you need to go down in the description of this video. There's a link there, click on it and let's get started. You need to sign up, create an account with your email and put in your password and you're good to go. You're going to have an account, and once you sign up, you're going to be having a $4 bonus which will be added to your account, and it will be given to you in VH, that is with the mining power which you'll be using to mine. All right, so let me go to my dashboard for you to see what is really going on here and how we can make money with the free $4 that was given to us. All right, so here we are on my dashboard. I've already signed up earlier on, and I think I've already started mining. You see, now I'm using the free plan, which gives me 2% daily, 2% of the $4 given to me. So I decide to choose the Doge coin. I'm mining the Doge coin, and that is it. So the $4 given to me was 180. Take a look here. This is the total power I am having right now, and I did not deposit any money yet. There's nothing. I'm on the free plan and I already have 192 VH per second. That means my total power is increasing because the $4 will give you only 180 VH per S. So now I'm going to show you how you can also take advantage of this platform using the free $4 given to you, and how you can also use it to mine and withdraw fast from this. Once you sign up and you are on the platform, in order for you to start mining, you come down over here, because this platform you can mine 4 different currencies, which is the Litecoin, the BNB, the Tron, and the Doge coin. That is all you can mine on this platform. So you're capable of mining the 4 different crypto on this platform. So now, in order for you to start mining, you are going to make your choice. It is left for you to make your choice on which one you prefer to mine. As for me, I chose the Doge coin. Then if you like, you can go on you can decide to use your Tron, anyone. So once you've made your choice, once you've chosen a crypto you want to mine, all you need to do is to come over here and choose the button that you pull the button. You can see this one is over here. It's because I dragged it all the way from here down there. So all you need to do is to come to the crypto you chose, then you pull this button down to the extreme end over here for it to start mining for you. Now that's how you can activate your mining on this system. So now, apart from this free $4 you're using to mine, they also have this bonus, the bonus that you can claim every 6 hours. Let's go and claim it. I'll show you. It's a way of increasing also your mining power, your total mining power. It's going to help you increase your total mining power. All you need to do is click on bonus. You come over here and you see it is written here, get a random bonus from 1 to 5 VHS per second every 6 hours. So all you need to do is click on get bonus, get bonus. Okay, let's do this quickly and let's see how many. Okay, you got 2. Okay, now this has been added to my mining power. So all I need to do now is go back to the mining dashboard. You can see now I have it was 192 that was there before. Now I have 194. You can see it here available on my here it is now. Now the 2 has been added to it, and all I need to do to make it active, I need to go down to the coin that I chose that is mining. You can see it is still mining at the rate of 192. It's still mining at the rate of 192. You can see it over here. So all I need to do is to drag again here to update it to 94. Okay, now train, you have to do this normal, then verify. Okay, good, success. So now it has increased, and I need to come back again every 6 hours to increase this, to do this, and my mining power will keep increasing for me. So that is another way you can increase your mining power. Now I'm going to show you another way which you can also use in increasing your mining power, and which is the affiliate section. What you need to do is copy your link. Come over here. All you need to do here is copy your affiliate link. You can copy your affiliate link and go to your social media, every other media you have, and just, bring in people and earn 12% of the first level. And also you'll be in this. Okay, thank you. You can read over here, read what is going on here, then you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so that is it. All you need to do, you copy your link from here. You can see your link is over here. You copy and share and bring in people, and you increase you increase your mining power. Now, another way you can do this is by depositing into this platform quickly. Now, before I go any further about depositing, I just want to make it clear to you that I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is not a financial advice. This is strictly an educational video. And before you get into anything depositing, investment, make sure you do your own research very well before putting your money into any of this platform. But I'm just showing you how you can make extra cash with this anyway. So now quickly, once you sign up, you have a free $4 on your account. Another way you can quickly take advantage of this platform with the $4 given to you is by depositing immediately after you sign up, in order for you to enjoy some extra benefits of the $4 given to you. Because once you deposit your money, it's going to be added to your balance, and it's going to increase your mining power, and which is going to make you quickly cash out from this platform. Okay, now let me just show you how you can deposit quickly. You come over here, you can select if you want a day, or if you want a day or 10 days or a month, 30 days, 60 days, left for you to choose. But I use 30 days. So I'll use 30 days, that's a month. And now I want to see, let me deposit maybe like okay, 50 tron, which is about $3.33. So this is what I'll be making. This is what I'll making 2.5% per day of that. So the total I'll be making plus my $3 is this. So to take advantage of this, it will be added to your $4 free that was given to you. So why not quickly do something like this? Open deposit. Okay, now we have to copy our payment coin. All right, get power with current exchange rate. Okay, 135. That's to say I'll be my 50 tron will be giving me 135 VHS for mining. So I'm just going to copy here. Okay, I'll copy, then I go to my wallet. Okay, then I send, paste it, 50, then continue. Confirm it. Put my code. Okay, now it's gone. Let's see. Let me wait for it to go completely. So now let's quickly check our platform. Let's see if our deposit has reflect over here. Okay, all right, good. It is. It has reflect. This is it over here. Sorry, this. You can see our 50 Tron has been added to our balance. So let's quickly check the dashboard. Let's go to the dashboard. Sorry, let's go to our mining to see what's going on. If we've added, very good. Now you can see our mining power has increased. This is it, good. So it has increased and I still have 135 left, so I can increase my 135. I can add it up to my Doge mining, or if I like, I can decide to use my 135 to mine another crypto at the same time, but let's not do that. I will prefer to just keep all to mine just one particular coin. So all I need to do now is to increase this, drag this to the end, then truck. Okay. Success. Okay, good. Now I've just increased my mining speed with a 50 TRX added. So that is how you can increase your mining power, and I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw from this platform in the next video. So if you like what I just showed you and you want to be part of this platform, go ahead. There's a link in the description of this video. Go down below, click on it and join up. You'll be able to sign up and continue and start mining immediately. I think I need to show you the minimum withdrawal. I think for Doge I'll have to withdraw 30 Doge, which is going to be my minimum. So once I get to 30 Doge, I should be able to withdraw this. You can also go ahead, read the frequently asked questions, which is here. Take a look, take your time to read. Okay, what is the minimum deposit withdrawal amount? Yes, okay, here we are. You can see it here, 35 Doge. Yes, I will have that. I'll need to get a 35 Doge before I can withdraw. For Tron is 75. For, you can go ahead and check it out yourself. So guys, that is how it works. That is how this platform works. I'll be making a video on how to withdraw from here, and I'll be showing you that live and the right. So if you like what I showed you, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell sign so you get notified each time I upload a brand new updates, and see you again in the next video. Ciao.